Yeah, hello everyone. I hope you're doing good. Today we want to talk about a basic pattern in technical analysis. And this pattern is the double top. The double top pattern, it occurs in the market on the daily basis. As I always say, all the pattern that occurs in the market, they translate the sentiment of people or the participant of the stock market. So far, if you can read into the pattern, you learn a lot about the people that trade in the stock. How are they feeling in that moment? And what is their intention toward that stock? Thank you. First of all, I will go ahead and thank all my subscribers. You guys that are watching my video, thank you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and hit the notification bell as well so you will get all the notification when I publish my presentation. Let's get into it. So the double top is mostly a bearish pattern. It means that the stock will mostly go down. It will sell off. So the main thing about the a double top is the resistance. We have learned about the basic tool of technical analysis, resistance, the trend line. So right here, I have my resistance in the red line. This means that the stock has come at this point before. Then it drops. Then it bounced again and it came at this point. Now, here is our signal point. That's why I put this red arrow. If the stock broke above this resistance, this will be an ascending triangle, if you guys remember. But if it doesn't, it will become a descending trend. So this will form the double top. This is the first top and this is the second top. So once we have this double top, the stock couldn't break above this resistance. It means that the stock will mostly drop. So the resistance sometimes is horizontal or is sloppy. So at some times of these, the main thing you want to notice is like the price came at the resistance twice, but it couldn't break above the resistance. Now you ask me how many times this is successful. If you have read a lot of chart, this happen 75% of the probability ratio this will go down, and 25% it might break above this. So how do you use them? That's the main question, because every single pattern that we are learning, we want to use them in our trading style. So anytime you see a stock forming this double top, you want to be right here at the resistance. If you have draw your resistance line, have drawn your resistance line, you will see this and you'll be waiting here, and you are waiting for the stock to do two things: at least break above this resistance, and at most get a rejection from this resistance and drop. So you have your eyes, you won't take any position until the stock does something that you want or you don't want, and you will take a position. That's a signal for your entry. Okay, so you use it to get in a short trade mostly, or a bearish position after the breakout fails. If the stock couldn't break above this, you will get in that position. That's how you do it. So depending on the same stock, you can go long or you can go short. It depends on what the stock is doing. Let's look at the chart quickly and we will see. So this is a chart of uh, Eagle Eagle Material Incorporation. So this stock has a resistance right here, and it has a second resistance. But first of all, the stock was having this uptrend. It stops here. This was a resistance. Then because it got a rejection, then it drops. Then it bounced off this and it went up again. It got another rejection. Look at it. Since these rejections, look at how the stock has been going down. That's the reason why I'm telling you The pattern in the stock market, if you can read them, they are really powerful. Once the stock couldn't break above this, it start going down. It start heading down. You see, you could read this and watch this on the daily basis. It will make your trading more consistent, more profitable because you know when to get in. Because people ask me this question a lot of time: where is my signal? When can I get in the stock? Once you know some of those patterns, you know when to get in the stock. Okay, let's look at the second one. It is KDP. KDP. So I will bring it here in my front. So in the front of the screen at the middle. So you look at this stock, it has a resistance. The resistance is the red trend line that I have drawn. So the stock move ahead, went up, hit the resistance. It wasn't a resistance, it became a resistance when the stock couldn't go higher. It stops. It become a resistance for me. So I draw my trend line. The stock went down, went down, went down. Then it start going up again. I will be watching this trend line. Will the stock break above this? If it does, that is a signal to go long. But if it doesn't, that's a signal to get short. So trend line and patterns are really important in stock market. You can find many patterns in the stock market. But right now, the one that we're talking about is the double top. And I hope you have learned something from this. Always make sure you learn patterns because they translate the emotions, the feelings of people trading the stock. So that lets you to take more responsibility in your trading style. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video, this presentation. Please subscribe to my channel. If you see any value in my presentation, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Have a nice day.